Hi everyone, it's Tammy and it's time to do my plan with me and my personal planner. We're going to be planning the week of April 9th through 15th, and I'm going to use this really cute Lisa Lorraine Plans Happy Fox kit. Isn't that adorable? So I'm going to go ahead and pull these out. And I'm just going to put that up there. And the first thing I'm going to do is use the washi down the middle. And this planner is just for YouTube and my Stampin' Up! Business, which is linked below if you guys are interested. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And although I'm really not doing a lot with it right now, I do enjoy being a demonstrator. I like, of course, the discount and being able to get product quickly, well, earlier, I guess is the right word, and it's enjoyable. So I will continue that. And this is a new kind of a kit. I used a kit like this last week as well, so it's not totally new, but I am just going to kind of improvise because it wasn't made for this planner, and this planner's sometimes a little hard to find stickers that work well. There are a couple brands that really work great, but then when you find other ones, something like this, I just have to kind of improvise, which is not a problem. And I love this one. You know what, I'm doing it wrong. Oh my goodness. That's a first mistake. I've made several mistakes, but that's the first time I've ever done that I can recall. That particular mistake. That's pretty funny. I'm glad I caught it when I did. Okay, I don't have any birthdays or anything this week, so I'm just going to kind of stick these down wherever I want them because they are cute. And I love the do more of what makes you happy, because I agree. And weekend. So I'm just kind of decorating and putting things where I can kind of plan and just making it fun. And I think that this kit really reminds me of spring, so I am hoping that spring finally finds its way here sometime this week. That would be nice. It's been so crazy. The weather has been stormy and snowy and that would just be in one day. It like happens like crazy. Okay, I think that's good. And I'm gonna put this planning time sticker here, I think. And I think that's all I'm going to use on this one. And I save my other ones and I give them to my friends. So let's see here. I need to write some things down that I need to do. Goodness. I know that I need to do comments, so I'm going to write that down. caught up right now, which is nice. Well, as of like earlier today. And I need to do some tips videos for sure. I haven't done any yet, and I was supposed to do some this week currently that I'm on. I mean, there's still time, but ugh. And oh yeah, I need to do a live video. And I still kind of want to do a Dollar Tree craft, even though I keep putting it down there and not even going to Dollar Tree. And then I want to film favorites. And I need to film a food review, I guess I'll call it, of some of the food that I've had recently, and do a like an empties kind of a video. What else? My plan with me. Oh, I guess I put the sticker there. Do more of what makes you happy. That just is really nice. I agree. Yarn storage. Declutter. Tips. Card series. I could write that down too. And I think that's enough for the week. I don't want to go crazy. So I'm going to put that down here. And there we go. So thanks guys for watching. I hope that you guys have a productive week and a very enjoyable one. Take care. Bye-bye.